Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Discord. You will click on settings. In this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord problem and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.